Welcome to our creative journey of transforming old wood into stunning and profitable pieces of decor. Here, we celebrate the beauty and potential of reclaimed wood, showcasing innovative designs that not only bring charm to your space, but also inspire sustainable practices. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, reclaimed wood decor stands out as a perfect blend of artistry and eco-consciousness. Each piece tells a story, adding character and warmth to any environment. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a DIY enthusiast looking to explore new avenues, our collection of ideas and projects will guide you toward turning forgotten timber into beautiful, profitable treasures. Join us as we explore techniques, tips, and inspiration for creating unique decor that not only elevates your space, but also contributes positively to the environment. Let's get started on this transformative journey together. In recent years, reclaimed wood has surged in popularity, not only for its aesthetic appeal but also for its contributions to sustainability. By repurposing old wood, we can breathe new life into materials that would otherwise be discarded. This guide explores how turning old wood into innovative decor can be not only rewarding creatively, but also profitable. The allure of reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood is defined by its character. Each plank carries a history, from the rustic charm of barnwood to the elegance of vintage furniture. This uniqueness makes reclaimed wood highly sought after in the decor market. Consumers are increasingly drawn to pieces that tell a story, and reclaimed wood offers a narrative that new materials simply can't match. Sustainable practices. Using reclaimed wood is a sustainable choice that benefits the environment. It reduces the demand for new lumber, minimizes waste, and lowers your carbon footprint. By transforming old wood into beautiful decor, you contribute to a more sustainable future while also tapping into a market eager for eco-friendly products. Crafting unique pieces. The versatility of reclaimed wood allows for a broad range of creative projects. From furniture, like tables and chairs, to home decor items such as wall art, shelves, and accent pieces, the possibilities are endless. Each project can showcase the wood's natural beauty and distinctive features, making every piece one of a kind. Techniques and tools. To embark on your journey, it's essential to familiarize yourself with some basic woodworking techniques and tools. Essential items include a saw, sander, drill, and measuring tools. Knowing how to work with different types of wood will also enhance the quality of your final products. Whether you're upcycling old pallets or restoring barnwood, each technique can yield remarkable results. Finding quality reclaimed wood. Sourcing high-quality reclaimed wood is crucial for your project's success. Look for local suppliers, lumberyards, or even architectural salvage stores. The internet also offers various online marketplaces specializing in reclaimed materials. Building relationships with your suppliers can lead to better deals and access to unique finds. Pricing your creations. As you craft your reclaimed wood decor, pricing becomes a key consideration. Factor in the cost of materials, time spent on each project, and the uniqueness of your designs. Research similar products in the market to gauge pricing strategies. Offering a range of price points can attract different customers, increasing your potential sales. Marketing your work. In today's digital age, marketing is essential. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your projects. Create an online store or partner with local shops to display your work. Engaging storytelling about your piece's origins and the craftsmanship involved can create an emotional connection with potential buyers. Building a brand. As you grow your reclaimed wood decor business, consider developing a brand identity. Choose a name, logo, and aesthetic that reflect your values and the uniqueness of your products. A strong brand can enhance recognition and loyalty, making your creations more appealing to customers. In conclusion, turning old wood into innovative decor is a fulfilling way to express creativity while also making a profit. By embracing sustainable practices, honing your craft, and effectively marketing your work, you can successfully navigate the world of reclaimed wood decor. Each project not only contributes to a greener planet but also adds beauty and character to homes, allowing you to turn what was once forgotten into something truly valuable. So gather your tools, unleash your creativity, and start transforming old wood into profit today. Thank you for taking the time to explore our journey of turning old wood into innovative reclaimed wood decor. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights to kickstart your own creative projects. If you enjoyed the content, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more tips, ideas, and innovative designs. Your support helps us continue sharing our passion for sustainable craftsmanship and the beauty of reclaimed materials. Happy crafting!